I remember ithima bangithengela abantu bathi laba bantu bafikile bafunana ne-address yami. So ekithi ubaba wami bambiza umzede because is a ZCC. Then bangena endaweni ero abangithola bathi bayongibulala. Omunye ubaba bekakhuluma isiTsonga, so kanti isiTsonga ngiyasizwa. Wathi angeke akwazi ukungibulala esuka, bacela ukuthi bamthengele utshwala. So mabase bangishaya ngashawela eFine Town. Ngashawa, my condition was very bad. Mawubheka incwadi yami bebathe mina I've got brain damage, crash bones. Umzimba wami wonke bawulimele. God told me, my son, go and confess to each and every person oye wamenza kabi and ask forgiveness.
Budayisa ama-drugs or bothi mawudla ama-drugs bumosha emphakathini?
Omunye untombazana waye wanceda at the time ngigwazwe abangani bami baye bangigwaza ekhanda.